मैं सच में जानना चाहती हूँ आपने आज सॉक्स क्यों नहीं पहनने?
करियर वाइज भी फ्रीडम नहीं होते, जो रोल मिल गया आप कर लो चुपचाप, ठीक है.
50% filmmaking is done in casting.
Every male actor who comes to this business either wants to be Salman Khan or Shahrukh Khan. Rani Mukherjee.
Saurabh Sachdeva's underwear also acts in the film.
So I also understand the business model of the theatrical release is cutthroat.
इसके अंदर से जो चितियप्पा मिला मुझे, मैं लिख ही नहीं सकता हूँ. मेरी फिल्में तो लोग पहले भी टॉरेंट डाउनलोड करके देखते थे. अब कम से कम मोनेटाइज होने लग गया OTT का. Ninth take that we got right, Nawaz was wearing no.
See, as a director, he gives confidence to his actors. As an actor, he gives confidence to his director.
वही
हमारे पास सिनेमा हॉल बहुत कम है, सो वो फिल्म उतने टाइम तक रहती नहीं
रह
है.
नहीं पाती है.
आपको लड़ना पड़ता है उसके लिए. There is a film about how mosquitoes are invading the country. I see every film of his. I think he's one of our finest actors.
बैड कॉप्स को कोई खास पसंद नहीं करता है, लेकिन मेरे आज के जो गेस्ट्स हैं उनको देखने के बाद आप ये चीज़ ज़रूर कहोगे कि यार लाइफ में एक बैड कॉप तो हम भी डिजर्व करते हैं. हेलो एवरीवन, आई एम गायत्री निर्मल एंड एट पिंक विला वी हैव द टैलेंटेड टीम ऑफ बैड कॉप्स स्टार्टिंग विद आदित्य दत्त, आराधना, अनुराग कश्यप एंड गुलशन देवाया.
And say that name again.
गुलशन देवाया,
हाँ, क्योंकि मेरा डबल रोल है, दो बार बोलना पड़ता है.
ऑफ कोर्स.
गुलकन देवी.
मैं अभी से बोल दे रहा हूँ, कोई अवार्ड नॉमिनेशन में अवार्ड में गलती से जीत गया ना, मेरे को 2 ट्रॉफी चाहिए. अभी से बताऊँ, पिछली बार एक ही दिया था.
फ्री मैंटल अवार्ड.
पिछली बार वो मर्द को दे क्या आप नहीं करते रिंग?
हम रिंग नहीं करते, अवार्ड वालों को.
गलत लोग, ठीक.
बैड कॉप.
बैड कॉप. I'll start with you, sir. मैं सच में जानना चाहती हूँ आपने आज सॉक्स क्यों नहीं पहनने, क्योंकि आप हमेशा अपने मूवी प्रमोशन के वक्त सॉक्स ऐसे पहनते हो जो आपकी मूवी से रिलेटेड होते हैं.
करेक्ट.
तो आई वांटेड टू नो कि क्यों नहीं पहनना?
वो एज ए डायरेक्टर ऐसा नहीं.
नंगे पैर रहते हैं.
नहीं, मैं तो ऐसा, मैं काम से आ रहा हूँ और जनरली काम तो मैं चप्पल में ही करता हूँ. आजकल मैं आई डोंट नो समहाउ
कंफर्टेबल है.
हाँ, मोर कंफर्टेबल.
Gulshan, you started your career in 2010 with Anurag sir's film The Girl in Yellow Boots. So what is that one thing जो इन्होंने आपसे तब कही थी and it stayed with you even now?
उन्होंने मुझे नहीं कहा था, किसी को देख के बोला था ये तो स्टार मटेरियल है. I don't know. Really, there is nothing like that.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. But I think I was really fortunate that I got such a wonderful opportunity with a wonderful director and a wonderful person. बहुत सारे मेरे दोस्त थे जो मिलके काम कर रहे थे उसमें, क्योंकि कल्कि ने लिखा था, मैं कल्कि के साथ काम कर रहा था, प्रशांत प्रकाश, बहुत सारे, पूजा स्वरूप,
वो लिटरली होम प्रोडक्शन था
और
एक्चुअली.
बहुत सारे लोग उसके बाद में वासन, श्लोक, ये सब लाइक दोस्त बने मेरे उसके बाद. नील तो जय मेहता. हाँ. तो
बहुत
इट्स रियली लाइक मैं कोई इसको मतलब आई कुडंट हैव विश्ड फॉर अ बेटर स्टार्ट, मोर कंफर्टेबल स्टार्ट. और यूजुअली क्या होता है कि आपके फर्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट में ना डायरेक्टर, आपके पास फ्रीडम्स नहीं होता है. करियर वाइज भी फ्रीडम नहीं होते, जो रोल मिल गया आप कर लो चुपचाप, ठीक है. बट जो मिला वो इतना अच्छा था, ऊपर से ऐसे डायरेक्टर के साथ जो आपको डायरेक्शन ही नहीं देते. वो आपको सीन्स स्क्रिप्ट दे दिया, बोल दे कि आपकी जिम्मेदारी है. आई ट्रस्ट यू इनफ टू सॉर्ट ऑफ मेक समथिंग आउट ऑफ दिस. ये बोलते भी नहीं थे. आई फेल्ट वेरी ट्रस्टेड. दैट्स समथिंग अ वेरी स्पेशल फीलिंग. इट्स अ वेरी स्पेशल फीलिंग और आपको एकदम कंफर्टेबल कर देता है. और तब तक ये अनुराग कश्यप बन चुके थे, इनका काफी कुछ नाम था बाय द टाइम. देवडी के बाद इन्होंने ये बनाई थी. तो आई डोंट नो व्हाट आई हैड डन to deserve this good fortune, but whatever I had done, really I was very grateful that I was given that opportunity.
But that's such a sweet thing.
I will cherish that forever.
The director saying कि आप कर लो, I trust you.
बिकॉज़ इसके अंदर था ना.
ये बोलते भी नहीं थे, पर आपको महसूस
Especially for
कराते
a
थे.
debutant.
नहीं, I see it differently.
Yeah.
Your 50% filmmaking is done in casting. You cast right.
Correct.
I think I'm a very good casting डायरेक्टर दैट वे. और मैं सत्य के टाइम से कास्टिंग करता रहा हूँ.
I know.
आई एम अ वेरी गुड कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर एंड आई हैव कास्ट अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल ऑल माय लाइफ. आई कास्ट राइट एंड देन आई बोरो फ्रॉम हिम इंस्टेड ऑफ हिम. लाइक कुछ करने नहीं. इसके अंदर से जो चितियप्पा मिला मुझे, मैं लिख ही नहीं सकता हूँ. So I can't write.
Yeah.
So when you cast right, you get so much more out of
या
them.
इसे 3 दिन देता हूँ सोच के कुछ. So that's how I was cast. So 3 दिन के बाद मैंने कुछ सोच के वो कल्कि को बोला चलो ये दिखाते हैं. Then he at some 9 p.m. in the night he came and then he's busy na usually. Yeah, so he came and he saw it and then he liked what he was
Yeah.
having fun. He was laughing. जो तो ऐसे.
Right. Also, Aditya, I would like to ask you कि Sir has a vast filmography, be it screenplay writing, dialogue writing, direction. He
हाँ,
has
मेरा सबसे बड़ा है।
30 साल से
एनिमेशन फिल्म भी बनाई है ना.
No, I have the largest IMDb actually.
Yeah. So 30 years and above he has been
32
around. 32 years. So as a director, to direct him, कभी ऐसा कोई moment आया कि आप में वो झिझक महसूस हुई कि इनको कैसे बोलूं कि सर ये शॉट दोबारा लेते हैं?
I'm happy to repeat this again and again that the way he makes you feel on set as an actor, he's not coming there. Yes, when he was coming, one day before I was thinking, okay, tomorrow I'm shooting with him for the first time. He's, we've all, as a filmmaker, I've seen his movies from 80s to being a maker, and today he's there on my set. So when he came on set only, but that vibe and that energy he brings on set is purely of an actor and someone as if he doesn't know what is happening. So when he's asking you, and you're like, so he's unknowingly filling your confidence up, right? So if I'm telling him that okay, this is the shot, this is what I want, and he's doing it, and he's like, say yeah. So and you're like, yeah, this is so so that him just asking, looking at asking and not suggesting that much itself makes you feel so confident to do things.
Right.
And I guess that's the strength, and that's why Kasbe came that way somehow, because he just came and just gave in.
Yeah, I think that's the true quality of a leader
मैं अभी
also.
आंसू निकलने लगे. मैं आंसू निकलने
Also
लगे.
cute. See, as a director, he gives confidence to his actors. As an actor, he gives confidence to his director.
वही.
हाँ,
And
but
that's the
I
true
on my
quality
set
of a
I give
leader.
confidence. मेरे सेट पे असिस्टेंट से लेके सबको मैं बैठता हूँ ना, हम लोग मैं यहाँ बैठा हूँ, मेरे असिस्टेंट्स एडिट कर रहे हैं. मैं करो आज तुम्हारे लिए फ्री दिन है, आज करके दिखाओ 2-3 सीन.
Yeah.
And that's how I train them.
That's the true quality of a leader. सर आप इलेक्शन के लिए खड़ा हो जाएंगे तो आप बुरी तरह से हार जाएंगे, लेकिन मेरा वोट आपको ही जाएगा.
मेरा भी.
No, well, he's actually a baby on set. I'm actually not. You'll be surprised.
No, I can sense that here also.
मेरे इमेज खराब है. मतलब मेरा अपना ना मेरा परसेप्शन खराब है. सब लोग जो ना मुझे पता नहीं क्या सोच लेते हैं कि मैं क्या हूँ.
नहीं ठीक करेंगे. एक ही 2 सीजन में हो जाएगा ठीक.
My question to you is, in today's times, how profitable, as a producer, how do you think it is profitable to invest in films for OTT rather than theatres? Because the audience, the taste of the audience is also changing, and it's gotten a bit tricky also.
Gayatri, I think it would really depend on what your idea is. What's the film that you're making? What audience do you think would be interested in that? And then you will do this. It's the inside-out approach, right? You start the base. This is my idea. Does this warrant a film? Does this warrant a web series? Or if you're specifically talking about only films in theatrical releases and then OTT releases, then which one in terms of audience, where do you want that to be? What your idea, what that budget is, how you'll recover that, what's the business model you're looking at it. There's not just a single factor. There are various factors that go into it. That's where it starts creatively. And then you take your call basis that.
I would like your opinions also on this.
There are too many things involved in it. I feel any film can be released anywhere as long as it's a good movie and it'll do well in a theater or an OTT. By the end of the day, it has to be good, right?
Because
and how long a window does that story need to be told? Like a web series, you need a long
Yeah,
format.
you need that
Enough
space.
to tell you
You
in
need that
season one.
space.
What's the idea?
If it's a story which can be only told in 1.5 2 hours and does not have a life to go so long, then you know that it's supposed to be made in a film format. And then where you release the film is a completely economical decision at the end.
Correct.
Yeah.
Correct. You know, आजकल वो बहुत होता है कि कोई मूवी अगर थिएटर में लग जाती है तो कहते हैं यार अगर ये शायद OTT पर रिलीज होती तो ये ज़्यादा चलती. एंड लाइकवाइज
यार I don't
Movies आप जो
know, मेरी फिल्में तो लोग पहले भी टॉरेंट डाउनलोड करके देखते थे. अब कम से कम मोनेटाइज होने लग गया OTT
मोनेटाइज
का.
होने लगे.
लोग मेरी फिल्म अभी भी वहीं देख रहे हैं.
मैंने
थिएटर में
पांच देखी थी मैंने.
मेरा ना इस विचार
Download
इसमें ना
करके
थोड़ा
इसमें।
आइडियलिस्टिक है. I mean, I don't know if it won't make any business sense, but it will.
But I love cinema, watching
It will
films on
make
cinema.
sense in terms of idealism. मुझे लगता है फीचर लेंथ ना थिएटर में लगना चाहिए. लॉन्ग फॉर्मेट आप एपिसोडिक आप इस पे OTT पे रिलीज.
हाँ, सिनेमा में फिल्म देखने का मजा
हाँ,
है.
तो I
मजा
think
वो तो है.
I know, but then वो
हम लोग वो
business model-
नॉस्टैल्जिक तो हैं.
इसीलिए मैं नहीं जा रहा हूँ because I also understand the business model of the theatrical release is cutthroat. So I, but then वो एक अंदर मेरे अंदर वो सिनेमा प्रेमी भी है ना जो एक वो आइडियलिज्म को ऐसे पकड़े रखता है. तो I don't know if we can.
मैं तो आज भी
No,
बता,
but there
आज
are
भी
some
फोर्थ रो
films
में बैठ के
that
पिक्चर
need
देखता हूँ.
that
सब नहीं,
magic
मैं
of
तो
the
मैं तो बोल रहा हूँ कि
Fourth
फीचर लेंथ सारे
Fourth
फीचर
from the
लेंथ
front.
हाँ,
थिएटर
आज भी
में
फोर्थ रो में बैठ के फिल्म देखता हूँ.
फोर्थ रो मतलब आपका फिक्स रहता है
fourth
फोर्थ रो
में
सेंटर,
बैठना है।
फोर्थ रो
Fourth row
सेंटर.
center.
मेरे आगे किसी के सर नहीं होने चाहिए. ऐसा लगना चाहिए कि पिक्चर सिर्फ मेरे लिए चल रही है. पीछे से चाहे लोग कितना भी हंसे.
Yeah. Gulshan, you play the dual role of Karan and Arjun in this series. So, as an actor, how do you get that immediate switch when you are shooting? Because
Like
the characters are poles apart.
like this.
No, seriously, because the characters are poles
No,
apart.
seriously, there is a switch. North Pole, South Pole. तो North Pole.
उसका प्रोसेस है गायत्री.
हाँ.
स्विच ऑफ एंड ऑन करते हैं उसका
वो
प्रोसेस है.
एक्चुअली वो बहुत
है
स्पॉन्टेनियस है वो.
Yeah, this is lot more
इसके
difficult
अंदर
than
5000 कैरेक्टर्स है इसके अंदर.
If I lock myself in a cupboard, I won't be able to do this.
ओके करण अर्जुन की बात है तो इफ जो 1995 में जो करण अर्जुन आई थी इफ यू हैड टू प्ले आइदर द रोल ऑफ करण सलमान खान और अर्जुन शाहरुख खान व्हिच वन वुड यू डू
Rakhi's role.
I would also do Raki's role.
व्हाई
अरे क्यों? Why?
वो तो ऑलरेडी मीम एक चल रहा है ना. अगर अनुराग ने बनाया तो उसका
Everybody
डायलॉग ना
wants to
मेरे
be.
करण अर्जुन आएंगे
Every
DC.
male actor who comes to this business either wants to be Salman Khan or Shahrukh Khan. I want to be Rakhi Gulshan.
राखी मैम विल बी वेरी हैप्पी
हाँ,
after
तो
listening to this.
With your abilities, you could have played
And
both.
it's also for me to convincingly pay an elderly woman. That's difficult. Now see, अभी
That's a
craft आया ना.
challenge.
अभी का
बकवास साइड में अभी देखो सीरियस मुद्दा हो गया अभी यार. Will I be able to do it with my?
You can.
Switch.
You can.
of course you can
Maybe I'll have to lock myself in a cupboard. For
चाची 420.
that was that was fun, but it
That was
wasn't
fun.
very
That was a nice
convincing.
one.
This is Doubtfire.
That was a fun,
And
but it
we're
wasn't very
talking
convincing.
Talking about adaptations.
Sounds good, yeah.
Anurag you play a villain in this series and like
I still don't know if I'm a villain or not.
so I'm coming
I
to
just know
that
I'm playing a very interesting character.
Yeah. So this villain has a comedic side to him, and in this and we've seen a lot many villains. Back in the days, हमारे villains ऐसे होते थे कि उनका नाम सुनकर ही डर जाते थे, और real life में कभी उनको देखा तो लोग भाग जाते थे. But अभी वो थोड़ा सा missing लगता है. But according to all of you, who do you think is the best villain that the Hindi film industry has produced? And maybe him or her did not get that due.
Oh,
Did not get that. Hey, Irfan and Hasil. One person who did not, I still think, who needs to get his due is Kader Khan.
You think? He was
but
so
you think he
famous.
didn't get his
They
due?
forgot him. He's so easily forgotten. The amount of contribution that man has had to
Amazing. Well, he's been
cinema.
superb. From his dialogues to acting to
Writing.
writing to everything.
Yeah,
Writing to
correct.
acting to everything.
Everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, true.
And apart from him, who do you think like are the best villains?
बहुत सारे हैं.
बहुत है यार, मतलब there's so many.
वहाँ सबसे
actually.
फेमस गब्बर से लेके सदाशिव अमरावपुरकर,
Yeah, that's
so
what
tough
we just
to
said.
answer
We
because
said-
मुकेश ऋषि गर्दिश.
Yeah, I'm sure we are going to leave out
Yeah,
many.
Mukesh
really-
Sachin
Mukesh
Gardish.
Sachin, he was superb in that.
हाँ, मुकेश ऋषि गर्दिश.
In Sadak.
सदाशिव अमरावपुरकर in many films.
Yeah.
Many films.
Sadak
the
being
Anil
the
Sharma films
most
also.
iconic for me. Sadak being the most iconic.
सड़क है.
And myself in all the villainous roles I have
Yeah,
done,
of
including
course.
Commando 3.
So, if you had to remake one of Anurag's films and cast Gulshan in it, which one would it be?
Oh, interesting question. Very nice.
Produced by
हम सब इधर देख रहे हैं.
Honestly, my favorite is Gangs of Wasseypur, which I guess is a crowd,
Favorite.
and like
हाँ भाई तो उसमें कौन सा रोल
उसमें
मिलेगा?
it was just amazing. Yeah, that
Yeah, of
movie is something else altogether. So for me,
Yeah, but you have to cast
which
me.
character
Yeah,
would he play?
I would play Nawaz's character.
Oh. And not Manoj ji.
Because I feel Nawaz's
Sardar
character
Khan.
was like
Interesting.
he would be amazing with him playing
Yeah.
that particular role.
माँ का
Because his
बेटे
माँ
I'm
का
actually
बेटे का,
imagining.
का
that
बदला लेगा
madness,
तेरा
हाँ,
फैजल।
correct.
I'd actually bunked my college to see part 1 and part 2.
Means
ये
I've
देखो.
gone and seen
How old were
both.
you?
I was in college, junior college.
Junior college. You were under 18. It was not allowed. You were not allowed to watch the
I
film.
think I was 18.
She's not sure, sir.
I've seen part again when it came online. I've done part one, part two, night run, like.
But the best way to see it is see it together.
Yeah, it's amazing. And that one sequence I remember asking him also was that one shot action piece that he had done of that whole
Going up.
going up, camera going up to the terrace, Nawaz
Oh.
Coming
jumping
down.
through the other thing, coming means for that sequence I must have seen it 2-3 times just forwarding
Just to
pause
understand.
just to see where is the stitch.
Where is the
I was
stitch?
trying to figure
There are
out
two stitches.
the two stitches. I was trying to figure out where did he stitch. I was trying to, as a technician, I was
Yeah.
trying to figure that out for that sequence because it was a very tough
It
sequence to
was
shoot.
a very tough sequence. to
It's
shoot.
impossible, like
It took
to
us
get
3
that.
days. 3 days to get
Exactly.
it
Just to
right.
shoot that
Yeah.
one.
No. It was we could do one take and then reset everything.
Yeah.
Then two. तो एक रात में 3 ही बार कर सकते थे.
हाँ.
तो total 9th take we got it right.
Because it's one
The
take.
9
the
takes
whole
took
thing is
3 nights.
Yeah, 3 nights. It's
And वो हम लोग कर ही नहीं पा रहे थे because after 8th take, Nawaz was also on the rope.
Yeah.
So Nawaz said, "Sir, can I take off the rope?" So 9th take that we got right, Nawaz was wearing no rope.
Without the
Oh,
He actually jumped and actually went down. No harness.
Gulshan सुना?
That's how we got it right.
amazing. I
Because
didn't know.
वो cameraman was
Are
also on
you
harness.
suggesting that you should endanger
Yeah.
your actors?
Absolutely.
Cameraman,
not.
नहीं,
Yes,
Nawaz
सुना,
himself
सुना.
was light.
If
no?
I was on
Yeah,
set,
yeah.
So
You
cameraman was
better
also on
मैं तो
harness and
बदले में
Nawaz was
बैठा
also on
है,
harness.
बढ़िया।
So दोनों on harness was getting very difficult to coordinate.
To coordinate the.
So cameraman was on harness and Nawaz then took off
It's
his
all about
harness.
timing.
So he did it without harness. So we
Amazing,
had to control only one harness.
Amazing.
Because उसके साथ साथ cameraman को भी lower करना पड़ता था.
Yeah, वो जा रहा है
हाँ,
नीचे,
बहुत सारा
ओफ।
बहुत मुश्किल था.
each and everything paid off because even now it's a cult.
Not
Gangs
even
of
now.
Us-
Now it's
Now it is a cult. Yes. Like
रिलीज के
even now
टाइम
it's
रिलीज के
being
टाइम हो
talked
जाता तो हम
about.
सबको बहुत पैसे मिलते.
It was like, I thought it was during release it made a.
It made a lot of noise, not box
it
office.
went yeah, that is the.
बिकॉज सिनेमा हॉल में लगने नहीं देता. सिनेमा हॉल में हमारे पास सिनेमा हॉल बहुत कम है. सो वो फिल्म उतने टाइम तक रहती नहीं
रह
है.
नहीं पाती है.
आपको लड़ना पड़ता है उसके लिए.
बाय द टाइम ऑडियंस को समझ आता है कि ये फिल्म अच्छी है जाकर देखनी चाहिए फिल्म निकल जाती
जाती
है उतना स्पेस नहीं मिलता है फिल्म
That's a
को.
slight advantage of the OTT platforms, right?
Yes.
Because it stays there, so that there's place for shows that may not have been promoted or may not, but word of mouth can take it there,
Correct,
right? Which is a good thing.
Correct.
It's a good thing for all creators.
Absolutely.
So if your film, if a biopic were to be made on you, which
No, it won't be made.
if
No, it will
hypothetically
offend too many people. See, मैं तो सच बोलेंगे सच बोलूंगा तो छपेगा
Not
नहीं.
an offensive biopic. Not an offensive biopic.
हाँ झूठा बायोपिक बन सकता है.
जो भी बायोपिक बने
झूठा बन सकता है.
हाँ, उस पर अगर करंट एज में से कोई एक्टर है जो आपके रोल को निभा सके और जस्टिस कर सके तो कौन है आपके ख्याल से?
मुझे नहीं मालूम. मुझे सच कोई भी एक्टर कर सकता है. झूठा बायोपिक तो कोई भी कर सकता है.
Abridged version.
No, but
Abridged
there is
version.
the certain quality about you that only you would know, you would see others and say कि
मैं
no,
उधर
मेरी कोई
नहीं-
झलक दिखती है उसमें.
अरे मैं फ्यूचर में रहता ही नहीं हूँ. मेरे को ना जीते
ऐसे
जी,
मस्ती
मेरे को
के
जो भी
लिए-
चाहिए लाइफ में जीते जी चाहिए.
अरे मस्ती के लिए
कुछ
ऐसे कोई नाम बोलो ना.
मैं हाँ गुलशन देवरिया.
मस्ती के लिए, हाँ?
मस्ती कर.
रानी मुखर्जी.
हाँ मैं को लाइफ में ना आई डोंट बिलीव इन
She'll play really
लिविंग
well.
लेगेसीज. आई वांट व्हाटएवर आई वांट इट अलाइव. आई वांट टू बी लाइक जॉर्ज मिलर. 90s में जाके भी फ्यूरियोसा बनाता वो या क्लिंट ईस्टवुड. मतलब आई एम सेइंग या फिर रिडली स्कॉट 80s में भी देखो क्या फिल्म बना रहे हैं लोग. आई वांट टू बी लाइक
Oh
दैट.
man, he's such
आई
an
डोंट वांट टू बी
They're
अ पर्सन हु
outbeating
वांट्स
the
टू लिव एनी
youngsters.
लेगेसी.
Yeah.
And they're outbeating the youngsters in imagination.
Yeah, and Ridley
How?
Scott, though, the way his films look. Oh my god.
मतलब और
He's got
मैं वो-
this distinct stamp.
माइकल हैनेके का करियर ही 64 में स्टार्ट हुआ था. और इसका 19 में शुरू हुआ था.
Yeah.
We have two opposite. In 19 he made his first film.
I see.
Yeah.
So yeah, long time.
And Michael Haneke made his first film at 64.
So there is hope for everyone.
There's hope for
There's hope for
everyone.
everyone.
Something we were talking about.
Yeah.
That before the interview could start, we
Yeah,
were
yeah.
talking about
अब
this.
मैं भी अपनी Mad Max Fury Road बनाऊंगा टाइप की फिल्म in my 80s 90s. मैं सीख रहा हूँ अभी एक्शन से. एक्शन कैसे डिजाइन करते हैं.
I don't know, but so
Health.
Anurag sir, I'm an ardent admirer of your work and I've also watched Bombay Velvet. Unfortunately, it did not work well. But is there anything in the pipeline where you and Ranbir could probably come back together on a film, or did you watch his film Animal? How was it?
I see every film of his. I think he's
Yeah.
one of our finest actors.
Okay.
He's one of the finest actors. A delight to watch.
Okay. A film that you think अब अगर आप बनाते आपकी इतनी जो भी
मैं
फिल्म
इतना
है
नहीं सोचता अरे
कभी सोचा नहीं है कि थोड़ा सा इसको अलग ट्रीटमेंट दे सकते थे?
नहीं कुछ नहीं सोचता इतना सोचता ही नहीं हूँ मैं सिर्फ काम करता हूँ मैं इतना सोचता ही नहीं हूँ
ओके
मतलब इन द सेंस एज
He
अ
lives in
डायरेक्टर
the
भी इतना नहीं
present.
सोचता एज अ राइटर एक्टर भी इतना नहीं सोचता पूछ लो दोनों से
Nice.
ओके
एज अ डायरेक्टर भी इतना नहीं सोचता एज अ एक्टर भी इतना नहीं सोचता मैं इतना ज्यादा सोचता नहीं हूँ
Yeah,
वो
he
दिमाग
just
पे
comes
जोर
and does.
क्यों डालते हैं
सोचते हैं बट ये जो फजूल का सोच है इसमें पढ़ने का नहीं है आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट इट इज
इन द ट्रेलर वी हैव सीन कि वो दिल्ली बैली का गाना है आपका भाग डी के बोस तो वो किसका आइडिया था
यही इसी का
एंड
होगा
व्हाट वाज द इंटेंशन बिहाइंड गेटिंग दैट?
No, it was basically I was cutting the trailer and that's it. It just came because वो जो the dialogue was भाग अर्जुन
हाँ
तो उसके बाद the first because the way it is it's a quirky it's got that one liners and all and that was a song which just came naturally to connecting to the Bhag DK Bose.
In one word, the bhasar that happens, no? It was very well encapsulating that spirit, so we used it.
See, there is a lot of pop culture reference na in this.
Yeah.
Karan Arjun.
DK Bose is
DK
also part of
Bose.
our pop culture.
it's a like a full on entertaining massy thing वो बहुत clarity इस लोगों को शुरू से थी
So can we call this series? It's a crime thriller, right? A dark
I
comedy
am
maybe.
telling you, it's a kind of cinema.
not dark.
It's a kind of
Dark.
storytelling
It's
and
not
filmmaking जो हम लोग ना आजकल करते नहीं हमारा मासी जो होता है ना
It's not dark. It's fun. It's thriller. It's got its quirky elements.
And it's got the twists in the plot also.
It's got action. It's got edge of the seat fun. It's fun. It's a fun ride.
Emotion.
Emotion.
नहीं इमोशन भी है और उसमें मतलब सौरभ सचदेवा's underwear also acts in the film.
Yeah, yeah.
Dialogue.
He's fab, yeah.
Yeah.
So
Okay, so we'll play this fun game now.
Games
Where?
we're playing,
Yeah. This film focuses on an interview between a lawyer and a businesswoman, in which the latter insists that she is being wrongfully framed in the murder of her
अरे वो
lover.
तापसी की पिक्चर है वो
थप्पड़।
बच्चन साहब और
Yes,
तापसी।
you've got it.
Pink.
You've got it. No, not
अरे
pink.
नहीं नहीं पिंक नहीं पिंक
बदला
It's not
बदला
pink, but you've got it.
बदला बदला
बदला
Yes,
बदला
yes,
बदला
badla, badla.
चलो 50
This movie revolves around a retired police commissioner who recounts the most memorable case of his career, wherein
Wednesday.
Wednesday.
yes, a cop deals with conflicting perspectives involving a brutal double murder. The case is complicated as the prime suspects are the parents who supposedly killed their teenage daughter.
तलवार तलवार
Talwar. Yes, yes. A girl is married into a Pakistani family by her
Razi.
father,
Razi है यार।
Razi. काफी easy था ये. The film revolves around a piano player who pretends to be visually impaired. Yes.
तो बहुत ही
आप लोगों के लिए तो मतलब सब कुछ बहुत इजी होगा क्योंकि आप लोगों ने
grown up
ये
with
वो
cinema,
फिल्म देख के
right?
बहुत फैंटेसाइज किया मैंने
क्या
मैं पूछता हूँ एक This is a film about
These are films and roles that
there's a
you
film
would
about
love to do.
yeah, absolutely.
there's a film about how mosquitoes are invading the country.
Maki.
मक्खी
नहीं नहीं मक्खी
no,
नहीं
ऐसा
ईगा
नहीं।
नहीं
Mosquitoes अरे सोचो सोचो
Mosquitoes.
सोचो सोचो सोचो
Mosquitoes
मैं
are
पूछ रहा हूँ
invading the country.
Indian film.
हाँ
Oh my god.
बोलो, अभी किसी को नहीं पता
सर आपकी कोई
say,
फिल्म
say,
है
say.
आपकी कोई फिल्म है ना
Say,
नहीं सोचते
say
रहो
ना.
वादा
सोचते रहो
वारदात 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 वारदात
See, he pulled one out on you now. Three.
वो है
End game.
एंड गेम था ये.
चलो चीटिंग किया मैंने लेकिन करेक्ट था क्या
A woman suspected of killing her husband narrates an interesting story about her marriage while the cops look for clues to arrest her.
ये भी वो
कहानी?
तापसी की
picture
पिक्चर है.
अरे वो विक्रांत मसी मसी एंड
हसीन दिलरुबा।
हसीन दिलरुबा
Haseen Dilruba, right, right. So, in this movie, the family comes together to cover up the murder of a policewoman's son.
दृश्यम
Drishyam.
डायलॉग्स
Drishyam.
Three.
I know, too easy, no?
कुछ जर्मन में पूछो ना
I'm Indian, 100%.
ये आखिरी है. A pregnant woman travels to Kolkata from
हाँ
London.
नहीं ये तो बोल चुके पहले ही.
Pregnant woman पे
Anticipation.
कर रहे
It has to come.
Okay, that was too easy and fun. Thank you all of you
Thank you,
all for
thank you so
this.
much.
Thank you so much.
It was
and
fun. It was easy,
It was
but
fun.
it was fun.
Fun.
Yeah.
I'm glad you guys liked
Yeah.
it. And I really wish you all the best for Bad Cop.
Thank you so much.
Fremantle India presents to you Bad Cop by Aditya Dutt on 21st June 2024, only on Disney Plus
Plus
Hotstar.
Hotstar.
Please
Really,
watch it.